Speech mode.
Hello everyone, today we are going to see the part 2 of website development. Last video we have seen Django tutorial, how to install Django, how to start a project, how to start an app. We are seeing the continuation of it. Here we are going to create our own page. Instead of the default page, we are making our own page to display on our web page. For that, let's go to the project folder.
Django row, Zoom row 1, meeting, Django row 1, Django win, 1, items view. Not selected.
Last video we have seen a sample project.
Example 1, sample 2 of 2.
Inside that sample project, there are many folders.
Customer 1.
So customer is the app we have created. The sample is the default project folder.
Sample 2 of 4.
So here what we are going to see is we are going to create a URL path. Last time in the default path it says Django installed successfully, there is a web page, but we are going to create our own path. So I'm going inside this sample folder.
Items, line.
There I'm going URLs.
URLs.py 5.
URLs.py file is there. I'm opening that. Maybe you can open with Notepad or any tools like IDE or Notepad ++, something like
URLs.py.
So I prefer Notepad. I'm opening here. So go to the end.
Line 22 blank. Line 20. Line 24. Space path left paren. Line 19 no indent URL patterns equals left.
Here there will be a line called URL patterns equal to, and there is already a path called /admin, which default given by Django to use admin related web page. That web page they created. We are creating our own page.
Line 24. Space path left paren. Tick admin /tick comma. Admin.site.urls right paren comma.
So like this, we are going to create one more path.
Carriage return.
Go to the next
line. 21.
There is a function called path.
PATH.
I mean, this function is already imported in this code, so we can directly call it path left paren.
Left paren.
First argument we have to give what is the path the page should load. For example, path means in a website you have /home/contact us, like facebook.com/home. So that's after / what should come, that we should give. Now we are creating home page, so we no need any words after /, so we just give empty. So by default in the home page, like for example facebook.com, the page will load. No, likewise in our website, since it is a local website, we localhost :8000 what should load, that we are giving. So there is no /path after that, so we are giving an empty path to load our web page.
Left paren. Quote.
So just empty quotes, quote, left quote, right quote. So comma. So we given first argument. Second argument is a function we are calling, like to load a page, a function will call that page. So we will write function after this. So we are calling that function. So in the app the customer is the app folder we created. In that there will be a file called views. So I'm mentioning that views here.
VIEWS dot.
Views dot the function name. The function name which we are going to create now. So I'm giving name as display.
DISPLAY.
Display
right parent.
Then comma, because this is a tuple. So yeah, we are giving two arguments. One is that empty path, we want to load the page in empty path. Second is views is the file name, display is the function name. Function name we are going to create next. This is fine. We will save this file.
Sample window.
And one more thing we have to do in the same folder is settings.py.
Items view, not s. Settings.
In settings.py, there will be many code. There you should find installed apps. There we have to add our app, our customer app we have to add. Mostly it will be around 33 lines.
Line 2. Line 33 installed line apps equals left.
Installed line apps are there.
Line 34 4 space tick Django dot. Line 33 no indent installed line apps equals left bracket. Carriage return.
So left bracket. So within that array we are giving our app name.
Quote CUSTOMER quote comma.
So customer comma, we are giving that within quotes. So we have added our app into the project. This is fine.
Sample window. Item not selected.
Then come to customer folder.
Customer 1 of 4.
Customer folder, we have views file.
Views.py dash.
Here only we are going to write the display function.
Line 2, line 3, line 1 from Django dot shortcuts import render.
So they are imported already a render function. We will use it.
Line 2 blank. Line 3 number create your views here dot.
So they are giving command create your views here.
Carriage return. Line 4.
Below the command we are going to create a function. As you know about function, we should start with keyword def.
DEF space.
Def display.
DISPLAY. Left paren.
Anything related to web application, we have to give a default argument called a request, which will give the arguments from the front end. So we will use request.
REQUES, right paren, colon. Line 4 def display left paren, rix right paren, caret colon right SEUQER, left paren REQUES, right paren, S, right paren T.
Okay.
Carriage return, line 5, space, line 4 def display left paren, request right paren, colon. Line 5 4 space blank.
So after a function, I am giving this 4 space for indentation. There we have to give return.
RETRN space.
Return what we have to give? We have to return a HTML page. To return a HTML page, we need a function called render, which is already imported by Django.
RENDER. Left paren.
Render left parent, and then we have to give this request argument. That's the default thing we have to give.
REQUEST, comma.
Request comma within quotes.
Quote.
We have to give the HTML page we have to load. We give that home.html.
AOME.html. Quote. Right paren.
Okay, home.html HTML we have given. So when we call the localhost colon 8000, this function will be called display function. Display function will call this render. Render function helps to render a HTML page. Home.html page will be called. We have to write the home.html next. I am saving this file.
Customer.
Okay,
items
home.html
not
should
selected.
be in a particular path. Inside this customer, we have to create a folder called templates. Below inside templates only, we will create all the HTML pages.
Context prop new folder F. Blank.
Okay, I'm creating a folder named templates. It's plural.
TEMPLATES. Templates 2 of 8.
Okay, templates I have created. And inside templates only, we have to create this home.html. So I'm opening a notepad.
Search with N-O. Untitled dash no.
So I'm giving simple HTML page.
Less. H1. Greater. Space.
Okay.
Cap E. L. O. E. T. O. Space.
Welcome to
A. C. E. S. B. E. Space. Cap A. Cap I. Less. Slash H. Greater. Greater. H. H1. Greater. Less H1 greater. Welcome to accessible AI less slash H1 greater.
So I'm giving simple H1 tag, which welcomes us. So if you want to know more, I hope most people know HTML. If you want, let me know in comments so that we can teach HTML also in future. This HTML is very simple only. So you can give any HTML page, HTML tags here. I'm saving it.
Type items view. Items templates 2 of 2. Static items file upload 2 of Django 1 of 6. Item sample 2 of 2. Items sample 2 customer 1 of 2.
Inside
items
sample folder, inside customer folder.
Templates 2 of 2.
Inside
item file name folder. Save as type file name colon blank.
We have to give the file name as home.html.
HOME.html. Home.html dash no templates window. Items view. Selected. Home.html. Line templates 2 of 8. Okay.
Oh, I hope everything is fine now.
Items view.
Go to that parent sample folder. We can run and check. I am doing along with you.
Address blank. Line 1.
Let's hope no error.
PYTHON space
Python space
MANAGE dot PY space
manage.py space
RUNSERVER
run server.
Watching for file changes with step. Name error colon name tick views tick is not defined.
Okay, name tick views is not defined. Okay, fine. Let me check what is the error.
Items view sample customer 1 of 4. Item V views.py 9 of 9 views.py line 1 V I E W S dot P Y views.py 9 of 9 views dot from Django line 2 line 3 number create your line 4 def display left paren D E F space D I S P L A Y left paren. So
views display spelling are correct.
Sample 2 of 4 customer 1 of 4.
Let's
sample
check in urls.
Line 20 line 21 path left paren quote comma views dot display right paren comma. Line 21 no indent path left paren quote comma views dot display right paren caret comma right paren Y A L P S I D dot. Line 24 space path left paren line 21 no indent path left paren quote comma views dot display right paren caret comma right paren caret comma right Y A L P S I D dot S W E I V comma quote.
Okay.
Quote.
Okay, looks everything is fine. I will debug this code in the next video. Everybody does error, so let's do the error. and then learn in next video. Thank you.
Sample, C: meeting control,